forgot I was recording all this time. I think I missed that double bonus, man. I had a bonus going on Panda and had Peace and Long Life. And my neighbor had one going too. But everybody's all gone now. So, went through all the denominations. 50 in free play, nothing up high. 50 cents is the only thing responding on all games. Oh man, that sucks. That was a whole lot of nice double bonus footage. Where are the flags? Come on. Alright, give a nickel. You get nothing. Oh my goodness, this one ball. And one symbol. Come on, suck. What is this? See this? Oh well, bye-bye free play. Nothing else. Give me the boxes. Last one. Boop. Take it. No more for you.